Good morning and welcome back. It is Thursday morning in the snowy Finnish countryside. As you can see, minus 12, minus 11 outside. So we finally agreed about the price, and I'm going to buy the thing now. So I'm heading back to India, back to the island. Again, taking 2 ferries. Also towing a trailer. So we are not transporting the hovercraft today, but I'm taking all the parts that I can, like pontoons and maybe the lift engine. There is a lot of stuff that needs to be transported with the trailer. So when the day comes that we actually pick up the hovercraft, we can just concentrate on that thing. So we measured the hovercraft last time, and it was 3.5 meters wide. 3.5 meters is the limit in Finland whenever you need like the whole convoy to assist the oversized load transport. But yeah, so we just go underneath that limit, which is very good. So we can handle the transport by ourselves. We just need some like lights to the corners of the thing, but not the whole convoy, which is cheaper. We like cheap. So it's very cool that this thing is actually happening now. I've already been watching for a new engine for the thing. So the plan is to make it diesel electric. May sound complicated, and it will be complicated, but the idea of that is that the thrust engine will be turbo diesel, and then the lift engine is replaced with the electric motor. And yeah, more about the technical stuff in the next videos, but I can explain some of the ideas now. So the lift engine, which is the 500cc Rotax 2-stroke, it's gonna be replaced with some sort of brushless electric motor. Not sure yet what is it gonna be, but somewhere like roughly 10 kilowatts power should be enough. But we need to calculate. We don't actually know how much the hovercraft weighs, so we need to measure that somehow also, so we can actually calculate the power need for the lift engine. There are like many sorts of calculators in the internet, But yeah, that's roughly the idea. So the turbo diesel thrust engine will have a couple of truck alternators. Planning to put 2 times 24 volt alternators, so that the electric system for the lift engine is most probably going to be 48 volts, and then the normal electric stuff will of course run with the 12 volts. So we will have a normal 12 volt system, and then the 48 volt for the lift engine. Not very budget friendly compared to the 2-stroke engine, but I believe much nicer to actually use.
Okay, so there you have it. Today's catch. So that's all we got today. This is the steering thing. I don't know how to call it, but anyways, this goes back in the back behind the propeller system. So these are the blades that are used for the steering, and with this one you can actually adjust like the height of the bow or rear, anyways the balance. And there we have the pontoons, which goes one on each side. Then this was actually nice, I didn't know that they exist, but these are the covers for the pontoons, so they are basically the same shape. Goes on the pontoon, and yep, these are used covers, but at least we can maybe use some parts of them, or at least get the shape if we need to make new ones. Here you have the good old Rotax 2-stroke lift engine. Not sure what to do with it, probably I will sell it. But the frame can be used for the electric conversion thing. And then, yeah, obviously the blades. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Everything is absolutely frozen. It was raining, and then it started snowing, and then all these things are frozen solid. I couldn't use the locks or anything. But that's life in Finland in the winter time. Okay, let's go. Hello! We are picking up the engine, Volkswagen 2-liter turbo diesel. It was taken out of Seat Exeo ST, but nobody actually thought that the transmission is still attached to the engine, so we only brought some smaller tools. So, yep, need to take that off, then put the engine to the trailer, and that's it. Yeah, that's the throttle pedal from the donor car is also needed. Okay guys, the engine is out. Next step is the throttle pedal from the car itself. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, so as you can see, we were not able to get anything out of that car. It's in a very bad shape, and it had been snowing in for like 40 centimeters of snow.
The car has an interesting story.
Yeah, they told us that they actually dropped a big stone on the roof of the car from the excavator.
Accidentally.
Yeah. But anyhow, it actually looks like there was a stone on the roof.
Yeah. Then was left mounting the motor so that we actually can transport it.
Yeah.
And overall the trip was quite successful. We managed to get all the important bits, which is the motor and its electric parts.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, that was all for this time. Stay tuned for more.